foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make tempered chicken dish. Okay, here are the ingredients we need. First we need 250 grams of chicken and chop it into small pieces. Chopped onion, finely chopped ginger and garlic, small cinnamon stick, chopped green chilli, curry leaves, sera, red chili flakes, turmeric powder, curry powder, black pepper powder, mustard seeds, salt and coconut oil. First of all, add some turmeric powder, black pepper powder, salt and lime to the chicken and mix it well. Leave the chicken mixture beside for about 10 to 15 minutes to marinate. After 15 minutes, take a pan and switch on the flame. Then add some coconut oil to the pan. When coconut oil is heated enough, add some mustard seeds. When mustard seeds are popped up, and add the ginger garlic paste. Now add sera, curry leaves and cinnamon stick. When all the ingredients are turning golden brown color, add the marinated chicken pieces into the pan and mix it well. Close the lid and cook it for a few minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can see there is water in the pan. Leave it open until all the water is out. Now all the water is dried out. It's time to add onion, green chili, pepper, curry powder and salt to taste. Mix it well. Finally add red chili flakes and cook it for a few seconds. Our tempered chicken is ready. Now you can switch off the flame. Spicy tempered chicken is ready. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with a lovely recipe.